Hi all, I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, and this will be, I believe, this will be a very short video. I will show you one important data pre-processing step in machine learning. Okay. So, once we have received the data, we usually do like data frames or like pandas to read the data. Okay. So, once we have the data, we need to check like if any column is like completely empty. Okay, if it is partially empty, then we can do some kind of a pre-processing techniques. We can replace it with maybe mean, median, or maybe with mode. Okay, we can do all kind of pre-processing steps. Okay, but here, if the column is completely empty, then we may not need it, right? So we can inform the customer, or we can say that okay, this column is completely empty. Okay, maybe we can remove it, and completely we can remove it, right? So those things we can do. So here I will show you how can you find out a column is completely empty. Okay, so we can start. So first let me import pandas. Okay, now we can import numpy. Now here we can create a data frame. Okay, so here we have the data frame. Here let me create one column called A. A has values like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 values. Okay. Now I can create a B. So B has values. You can keep like 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0. Okay. Now I can create one more column. See, this may be my third column. Here I can give maybe 1j, 2j and 3j. Yeah, I think this is enough. This is something went wrong. Okay, let me check it. All arrays must be of same length. Okay, I made it something 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Okay, so maybe I can remove this one here. Okay, now we can print the head. Okay, so we have the head. Okay, now what we can do, let me add a empty column. We can add none, right? And we can check like head. Yep, so let me add like few more cells. Okay, now what we can do, okay, so we can use lambda functions to check the column names. Okay, the empty column names. Here we can use a apply function here, then we can use a lambda x. Okay, now we can check if any of the columns null dot sum. Okay, if this is greater than 0, okay, that means like it has some null values are there. Okay, the columns has null values. Okay, so here I can use dot name here. Okay, here we can check, else can check this one. Okay, if it is else, we can check, we can return empty. Now we have the column names here with us. We can check this column names. Okay, so here we can see that only E is there because E has that null value, right? Okay, so here what we can do next is we can check here, we can check column values is null. Now we can try a list here. Okay, here we can try a list. can use a filter. First I will show you we can use a filter here. Show filter, then I can check lambda x if x is not equal to empty, okay, from column names. So this is, here we have to convert this into list, okay. List. This will give us the exact column name which has all the columns are null, okay. So here one more thing we need to check here in condition. Actually what is this does, this particular things does, okay. So I will show you that, okay. Here df dot is null, df dot is null dot sum, okay. So this means if the data frame has like any null, okay, it will list out the count of this null, okay. So if this is actually equal to the length of the particular data frame or the particular column, then we can say that this column is completely empty, okay. For example, I can check maybe length of df, that is 3, okay. So if this is, if instead of saying greater than 0, we can say that, okay, if the sum is equal to length of 3, okay, then we can say that it is empty, okay. So here we are checking the number of null column and how many are there, okay, then that is equal to the length of the rows, okay, or the number of rows, then we can say that this particular column is completely empty, okay. So here I am getting the value e, okay. So I hope this is clear. I will attach this particular notebook with the video, YouTube video. You can check the description, okay. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.